Hey everybody, welcome back to your Meditation Mastery Minicourse. Okay, on this video, we're going to be talking about secret number 2, the air element. So for our meditation practice, we're going to employ 2 types of breathing. We've got active breathing and passive breathing. Active breathing is sometimes referred to as somatic breath work or pranayama. So literally it translates into breath work or breath gong. So somatic breath work or active breathing is forceful, and we're going to use it to inhale a large amount of oxygen. And what that's going to do is going to provide our whole bloodstream with oxygenation. It's going to calm down our thinking mind, and it's going to allow us to enter a very deep, peaceful, relaxed state. It's like the active warming up component to an exercise. We do it to warm up for the main exercise of meditation. So active breathing. So it's more forceful, it's used on the lungs, and it really helps us get into that deep inner meditative state. And the second type of breath work we're going to utilize during meditation is going to be passive breathing. So passive breathing is just nice, gentle, through the nose. It's relaxed, and it's what's going to enable us to enter into the deep meditative state while we're practicing sitting meditation. Okay, first let's talk about active breathing. So this one can either be in through the mouth or in through the nose. So I want to show you one really nice active breathwork routine that I use frequently. So it's a 3-part breathwork routine. So we inhale into the lower lungs, and then we suck in the diaphragm into the upper lungs. And the third part is just the gentle exhale. So it's just a 1, 2, 3. And what this does, it allows us to draw air into our entire lung system, fully charging our body with oxygenation and rejuvenating our red blood cells. And it really helps us to clear away thoughts and ease the mind into meditation. So let's practice now. Let's just take 10 active breaths in. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Lower lungs, suck in, squeeze, upper lungs, and breathe out. Okay, last one. Squeeze, hold, and exhale. Gentle hold here. And fully inhale. Squeeze, and release. Okay, that's our active breath work. That's our active pranayama. It's like fanning up the flames of a campfire. We want to use this breath work to fan up the flames of our meditation. So it gets our body, our mind, our spirit ready for meditation. That's active breath work. More forceful, more coerced. Getting rid of the stress of the day. If you can practice this breath work for 5, 10, or 15 minutes before you do your meditation, you're going to experience wonderful results. You're going to easily dive deep into the deep state of meditation. Okay, let's talk a bit about the passive breath work. So our passive breathing, we're just going to use our nose to gently inhale and exhale during meditation. So you want to close your mouth and place the tongue on the upper palate of your mouth. So each breath gets more peaceful, more relaxed. You can focus on the feeling of the cool air coming in through the nostrils, circulating, and then filling up the lungs. So each breath becomes more gentle, more relaxed, more easygoing. Let's just do 5 passive breaths here, and then you'll have everything you need to know for breathing during meditation. Okay, inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. And release. Breathe in. Squeeze. And release. Breathe in. Hold. And release. Last one. Breathe in. Feeling the air cool down the nasal passage. Hold. And release. Yeah, that's it. How do you feel now? A little bit more relaxed? So passive breathing. That's what we're going to use during meditation. So before we meditate, we want to use active breath work, fully clear the lungs, the mouth, and let go of all thoughts that are bothering us. Then once we dive deep into meditation, we're going to use passive breath work, just slightly sinking into our body, feeling the breath come in and come out. Okay, so this is your second secret, the air element. These are the two types of breathing we're going to use during meditation. Breath. Next up, we're going to learn about fire, learning about our concentration focal point. So we're going to use breathing plus concentrate to dive really deep into meditation. Okay, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Sending you all the love and light. Have a beautiful, blessed, sacred day, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, we're going to get our concentration method down. Big love and hug to you. See you just on the next video. Okay, goodbye.